Dave, 37 traffic. $4,800 Lynch with Adam Victor William 26 George on a white Jeep. We're going to be stopping in the parking lot of DELI MART. How y'all doing today? I'm on Sparks, North Little Rock Police Department. The reason I'm pulling you over is because you didn't come to a complete stop at that stop sign back there. No, ma'am, I was right behind you. I guarantee you that camera catches everything that you did, okay? On top of it, your license is expired as well. Okay. Like I said, both those are why I pulled you over, okay? You got driver's license registration on you? Registration for the vehicle? You got insurance for the vehicle? Alright, okay. You got your license on you, bud? I need your license because you're not wearing a seatbelt either. Sir, give me your license. Okay, I need your ID then. Dave 37, go ahead to 930. Just stay right there. Stay right there in front of my vehicle. Alright, what's your first name? What's your first name? Okay, you're not wearing the seatbelt, and that's why I'm asking for your first lesson. All right, here's the deal. You either give me your name or I pull you out of the car and arrest you for obstruction of government operations, okay? Those are your two choices. Do what? All right, what's your first name? Spell it louder. I can hear it. It's what now? K-O-N? K what? You gotta speak up. Are we gonna play this game where I have to pull you out of the car and then we have to speak louder?
K-E-O-N.
K-E-O-N. What's your last name? What's your date of birth? What?
7798.
Thank you. How you doing? Ms. Lewis, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. You got a warrant out of us, okay? You gotta lock this car, open the door for me. Thank you. You gotta step out for me. Yeah, weapons, anything crazy like that on you, dude. Okay, face towards the car for me. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, okay, because you're gonna cast on your hand, okay, face towards me.
I got a one. What type of one?
Stand by. I'll let you know exactly what it is, okay? You break your arm, what happened to your arm? Got shot. Alright, you got a warrant out of us fleeing. That's what the warrant is for, yes sir.
I ain't got no warrant for fleeing.
Hey.
No, I don't.
Got a warrant too.
I don't got no warrant for fleeing.
Okay, well I'm just telling you what the warrant says, okay?
I ain't got no warrant for no fleeing.
No, we'll verify it when we get back there, okay?
I ain't got no warrant for fleeing.
Dude, I'm not making these things up. I ran you in the computer and that's what came back. The reason why I ran you is where you're sick there. The reason was you had a license to be able to drive this vehicle. Face for the vehicle.
What, so, what, that's an OR, ain't it?
Might be if you play, if you do what you're supposed to, face towards the car.
I'm saying I ain't got no friend. I ain't got no damn friend. Who is this? Oh, this is my mama. This my mama, bro.
It don't matter. For a second, you can wait till I'm done. Yeah, definitely not Orion.
I'm saying that's my mama.
I understand that, but you're not even working with me.
I am working with you. That's my mama. You trying to see some of my age? Yeah, I do not got nothing to do. I promise you. I don't have shit on me. That's what my arm says. Okay.
Remember any encounter that you would have got, that you would have picked up a warrant for that? Maybe you're put.
I had intoxication though.
So intoxication that. No, this is fleeing, man. This would have been like you got out of a car and took off running.
I ain't got no friend. I ain't got no friend.
back in the car. That call calls back, I'll answer for
We got her ID.
you. Yeah, I basically got her ID, yeah. Good.
Copy.
Not yet. Keep your feet in there. Alright.
Nah, that's not my last name. That's not me, man. You just locked me up for nothing. That's not even me, bro. Wait, yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
I got it.
Hey! Hey! Look! Hey, man, that was some bullshit.
Talk to him right now, okay?
Man, that was some bullshit.
I'll give you a second here in a minute if he calms down, but if he keeps acting like he is, then...
Hey, that was some bullshit, you hear me?
Didn't work seatbelt.
Man, why I can't talk to her? Damn.
Yeah, if you calm down, but right now you've been acting like...
I'm trying to talk to her.
This whole time,
Man, you ain't talking about shit, man.
Okay, cool. Then you
I ain't even got no charge. The
You
fuck,
do got charge.
they
You
got it
got
wanted for the wrong
charge.
shit. Man, you ain't talking about shit, bro.
Okay,
The
cool.
fuck, cause I'm black. The fuck, shut your ass up. Do your damn job. Motherfucker.
Damn for. Thank you.
You got both of my phones too.
I only got one phone.
No, you
It's
don't.
right
I got
here.
two of my phones, bro. Yes, you do got one of my phones.
I've got the phone that I took out of your pocket
No,
right
you
here.
got my
That's
other
lit on
phone,
the
too.
hood.
Where my other phone at?
I don't know. I didn't pull another phone out of your pocket, so
It's in the car.
where's it at in the car? I can grab it
On
for
the
you.
passenger side.
Do what?
On the passenger side.
Okay.
When I catch this charge?
Do what?
When I catch this charge that you got?
You got this charge. $7/10/2025.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, that's a failure to appear. Hold on. What is it for?
Failure to appear.
I got failure to appear?
Yes.
Damn, I think I know what the fuck this on. Oh, I do. Shit. I do got a fucking failure to appear. That's all they say.
Failure to appear on fleeing. Yeah.
And what else FCA I got? Because I'm supposed to went to court on the 8th.
That's it.
So look, so if I supposed to went to court on July the 8th, right, they'll issue the one on the 10th.
Yeah, they'll issue the warrant, like, usually they do it the same day, but sometimes
Can
they
you
do
get
it
my phone
day.
out, Kai?
Yeah, I can get it before she leaves.
I
She
got
ain't
to pee
leaving
too.
yet.
I'm finna pee on myself. Alright, I go inside. Can I pee, please?
I can't let you out of the car until we get to the jail. I'll try to hurry up on this. And I'll grab your phone. Where's your phone exactly
On the
at?
passenger.
On the passenger side, where at?
It's somewhere over there.
What does it look like?
It's the iPhone.
Shows to be good with, yeah. You good with it, I'm good with it. Yeah.
Now I gotta pee. Yeah. I gotta pee bad.
I'll hold it till we get to the jail, man.
Man, I gotta pee. Well, if I piss on the floor. You hear me?
Do what?
Got piss on the floor?
No, don't be doing all that now.
I gotta pee. Man, I gotta pee. Yeah, you know. You hear me?
I hear you,
Can I pee?
and I am trying my best to
Why,
get done with
why
this.
can I pee, man? I gotta pee.
We can't let you out of the car once you're in the car until we get to jail.
Man, I gotta pee.
Okay, well, that's not going to help.
Man, I'm finna piss on the floor.
Okay.
But I gotta piss. Fuck this shit. What you gonna do? Clean it up?
Do what?
You gonna clean it up?
I will take it to the shop and get it cleaned up.
I gotta pee for real. I ain't even being funny. You don't mind if I pee?
Do what?
You don't mind? I gotta pee for real.
I wouldn't do it.
Why? Why not?
Do what?
Why not?
I mean, you're asking a childish question right now.
I'm
Why
saying
not?
I gotta pee.
Okay, and I understand that, and I'm trying to hurry up so we can get this done.
Man, I gotta pee. Fuck it. I'm finna get pee.
All right.
I gotta pee. I gotta piss off this motherfucker. Man, that's an OR charge. Well, they really got on some shit. When did this call get in? Somebody sent the call on me or I been had that?
Do what?
Somebody sent the call
What do you mean by that?
on the one I got.
They sent the call. Are you asking if they made the warrant?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They called.
I have no clue what you're saying.
I'm saying, okay, for the warrant, right?
Yes.
Did they call and said that I did something?
Yes. They
No, I'm
confirmed
talking about
the
the other person. Like if it's a person that called the police on me.
warrant. No, it's a failure to appear to court. You didn't show up to court.
Man, I gotta pee, officer, please. I gotta pee, man. I gotta
Well,
pee.
stop.
I gotta pee.
What I'll do for you is when we're on the way to jail, we'll stop by the First Justice Center. I'll let you use the bathroom there.
Okay, bet. Come on. I gotta pee for real. I gotta
But
pee.
I ain't gonna do it if you keep distracting me from what I'm doing.
Man, I gotta pee.
Do what? No, he's gotta go to jail.
Man, he said I gotta pee. Fuck, man.
You want to tighten up?
I'ma call you.
Well, I guess I'll let your mama know.
Hey, yo, let her know. Go back, yo. Hey, Officer White, I gotta pee. I'm finna pee on myself. I said I gotta pee. I'm finna pee on myself. I just gotta pee somewhere. I just gotta pee. That's it. I gotta pee for real. I'm finna pee on myself.
You good? We're not gonna walk him in here.
If you want to walk him in there, that's fine.
Yeah.
ticket today, okay? Driving on suspended license. I didn't get you for the stop sign. I didn't get you for your expired registration, okay? Your first day, 10/13/2025 at 8:30 a.m. is court date, okay? First Justice Center. There's a number you call if you don't decide you don't want to go to court, okay? Your stuff back.
Thank you.
Just remember, drive around like this, you're gonna get towed. All right, go ahead.
You said it right.
We good?
Yeah, we're good. She's good to go.
Yeah, I had to pick. That's all I had to do. Yeah.